Hello everyone! So lately, I've been planning to make a vlogging site for me and my group mates. And I wanted to share to all of you the method I did upon making it. These are the questions I answered upon making a vlogging site.
First question, what will be the content of our blog?
The content of our blog will be about study tips and hacks. This topic is chosen because we could help students make their studying lot easier.
Second question, who are the target audience of our blog?
Our target audience are students who want to have information to an effective studying methods. We will tailor our content and presentation style to appeal to their interests and needs.
How often we post new content?
We plan to post new content twice a month. This frequency is chosen to balance the need for consistent updates with the time required to produce high-quality posts.
Question, what platform will we use and why?
We'll use WordPress as our primary platform because it has a large and engaged audience. It's easy to use and it's well suited for blogging.
Question, where will we post our blog?
We'll primarily post our blog on Facebook. We may also share links to our videos on other social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to expand our reach.
I hope you find this video helpful. You could also answer this question if you want to make a vlogging site. Thank you for watching!